Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to uninstall website desktop app on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. This is an website desktop app. Just click here to open it. The app name is New York Post. Here you can visit the New York Post website from this app. Close the app. Now I'm going to show you how to uninstall this app. Click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Now click on Apps. Now scroll down. This is the New York Post. Just click on New York Post and you will find two buttons here. One is uninstall. Just click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. The app is uninstalled. Now close settings. Now you can delete the shortcut icon from your desktop. I'm going to delete this desktop. This is the easiest way to uninstall website desktop app on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.